In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Siri's language on your Mac. First, what you want to do is head up to the little Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and from here, come down to System Preferences. Now on the System Preferences, you want to come across to Siri. Now you have a few different choices to choose from here, the first being the language, and you have many different languages to choose from. And then you'll have a different voice in that language to choose from here in the voice section. And in certain languages, as you can see here, English India, you'll have a voice variety to choose from. So you'll have all these different varieties, and these will all have different voices. And to set up Hey Siri, so when you speak Hey Siri, it will listen, and then you'll be able to use Siri by voice command. You want to click this box here, listen for Hey Siri. You'll need to run through this setup. I won't do this time. However, that is how you set up Hey Siri by voice command, and also change Siri's language. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, and thank you for watching.